Yes, everybody. As you could see, I was on the airport to catch some planes. And yeah, here you will see in this video some highlights of the day. I hope you will all enjoy the video. Yeah. Yes, 777! Aero Beautiful, beautiful. Well, stupid hill. And now there is an European charter A320 taxi to the runway. And yeah, we will see soon the takeoff of this beauty queen A320. And there is another Boeing 777 from Aero Luggage. I don't know if this plane start or landing right now here, but I think it fly or is soon ready for takeoff. But first we will catch the A320 from European charter. That will be very nice. Yes, and we can hear the sound. Yes, CFM56 engine. We will see it soon. If it rushes the runway. There is it! European charter! V1 and rotate. Bro, are you kidding me? But we will see it if it fly over there. Yeah, it's not the best spotting place, but it's alright. Beautiful, beautiful. I have a new job, plane spotting at Leipzig airport. Why not? A330 from New York. Landing here. Please not in the thing there. Well, yeah, it's not the best place there, but I hope it's alright. Beautiful. Yes, there's the Freebird A320 again. Next landing will be around in 1 hour. So I hope they have a safe flight. Yes, much better. So everybody, there is a Pegasus A320 Neo. Pegasus, there is a Condor A321. They will taxi soon to the runway, but first we will catch the A320 Neo. So let's have fun. So you will see it soon. Yeah, I can already see. Oh my god, the beauty, the Condor Island, the green color. I love them. So so sad. Why no one wake back? But it's okay. So we will hear now the takeoff. Could not see me. Wait. My favorite plane. What a beautiful sound. There is it. Meanwhile, the Condor crew is really doing a backtrack. That was Toga. I love you, Condor. I love you. That's why you are my favorite airline. That's why you are my favorite airline. Condor rushes the runway. Toga. Rushes. Yeah, there is it. Beautiful Condor. Have a safe flight to Tenerife or Rhine Sofia. There is it. Another plane. Freebird airline A320-232. Let's rogue again. No one see me. Damn. Why? Okay. Yes. Have a safe flight. Amazon Prime. The boy lands right now. The beauty. I mean the enemy lands right now. That was actually hard, I think. For reverse. Alright, there is an Airbus A300 600 from DHL. And hopefully it butters. Please butter. With the beautiful CF6 engine as like the A330, 200 or 300. Please not. Yes. But the plane stops quick as Great. There is this beautiful A320-200 coming from nowhere. Nah, not really. It's just coming from Antalya Airport. And there is the beautiful no-skin A320 with the people on board back to Leipzig. My favorite plane. Great. So, there's no, and he's ready for takeoff. Have a safe flight. All right, there is the beautiful Sun Express taxiing to runway 26 left. Oh nice, there's a bus. He has caught the Sun Express. That's so cool. Oh my god. This bro is chilling his life. Great. Rotate. Great. There is the E190, the Lufthansa City Line. Beautiful, beautiful. And touchdown, I think. Yes, touchdown. Successfully landing here at Leipzig Airport. Yeah, the baby Embraer. Here is taking off again. And there's another one, Boeing 777F from DHL. Come on, you're the butter machine too. Yes, that was looking pretty good. Here you can hear it. It's 777 with the beautiful GE90 engines. And there is the Embraer 190. Lufthansa Regional. Alright, there's a A320 takeoff from Leipzig to Antalya. Yeah, beautiful. Great. Beautiful. Come on, butter. Please. I don't know what was it butter or not, but it was great. And it landed. Great. Very nice. So after hours of spotting here at Leipzig airport, it's now time to go back to home. But before we arrive there, they have 4 planes left to catch them on camera. So enjoy the last 4 planes. But there we go. It also landed there right now. I don't know what plane is it. And there is the 777 from Dubai. Landed successfully after his brother started there over there. Also to Dubai. Great. There is it. Condor A321 heading to Heraklion. And it takeoffs right now. A321 with power. Yes. I love you, Condor. Have a safe flight to Heraklion. Wow, I was never so close to a plane. Right. So after chilling here many hours and spotting planes, it's now time to go back to home. Thanks to my mom for driving me to the airport. And thank you for watching. Yeah, see you in the next video.